The analog comparator compares the input values on the positive pin and 0 and negative pin and 1. When the voltage on the positive pin and 0 is higher than the voltage on the negative pin and 1, the analog comparator output, ACO, is set. Positive pin and 0 can be band gap reference voltage, or an external voltage. The negative pin of N1 can be amplified by an external voltage or a pin of the port A. The analog comparator module has no physical pins for the output, but the fifth bit of the ACSR register is defined as the output. The comparator's output can be set to trigger the timer counter 1 input capture function. In addition, the comparator can trigger a separate interrupt, exclusive to the analog comparator. When this bit, ACME in sphere, is written logic 1 and the ADC is switched off, ADN in AXRA is 0. The ADC multiplexer selects the negative input to the analog comparator. When this bit, ACME in sphere, is written logic 0, and 1 is applied to the negative input of the analog comparator. When this bit is written logic 1, the power to the analog comparator is switched off. This bit can be set at any time to turn off the analog comparator. When this bit is set, a fixed band gap reference voltage replaces the positive input to the analog comparator. When this bit is cleared, and 0, external voltage, is applied to the positive input of the analog comparator. The output of the analog comparator is synchronized and then directly connected to ACO. This bit is set by hardware when a comparator output event triggers the interrupt mode defined by ACIS1 and ACIS0. When the AC bit is written logic 1 and the I bit in the status register is set, the analog comparator interrupt is activated. When written logic 0, the interrupt is disabled. When written logic 1, this bit enables the input capture function in timer counter 1 to be triggered by the analog comparator. These bits determine which comparator events that trigger the analog comparator interrupt. Let's use from Proteus for simulate. We use from port point 7, for show the comparator's output state. We want compare the positive pin and 0, band gap reference voltage, and negative pin and 1, external voltage. Run CodeVision. Enable the analog comparator. Just select this one, to connected band gap reference voltage, to the positive input of the analog comparator. Create the project. Registers of the analog comparator. Define PB7 as output. Put the comparator output to port .7. Let's decrease voltage to 3. Remember the positive pin and 0 is connected to the band gap voltage reference. Let's compare the positive pin and 0 with one pin from port A. Let's show the comparator's output for each compara, on port C. Write Acme to logic 1. If you are interested in the topics of this channel, do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.